There's a certain subset of Seiko fans who are wishful thinkers. People who see a watch and think, if only it had a sapphire crystal, I'd happily pay a bit more. There is the modding culture around Seiko, of course, but not everyone has the patience for that. This is where Seiko's King versions come in, releasing more highly spec'd versions of their most popular watches that make all the difference in both aesthetics and function. The latest of these is the SRPH43, a King Samurai and an Asia Special Edition. This watch is also one of Seiko's Save the Ocean series, which aims to support the marine conservation efforts that keep people actually wanting to dive in our planet's oceans, as pollution and climate change rapidly destroy the world's most beautiful reefs. Those coral reefs are what inspires the colour scheme chosen for this particular watch, with burnt orange highlights on the dial, seconds hand, and the ceramic bezel insert. Although the rubber strap and the blue waffle dial are a matte texture, the shade is surprisingly dynamic in different lighting conditions, which does well to represent the Pacific and Indian Oceans that surround this watch's availability. Sunlight especially brings out the best in this watch, letting it show its depth of contrast and that glossy zirconium ceramic bezel. The other addition between the King and regular Samurai is the Cyclops date magnifier on the sapphire crystal, which definitely adds a small taste of luxury. The Samurai itself is a popular model for good reason, with its aggressive angles on the case defying most watch genres and forming the inspiration for countless micro-brand releases. It's a brilliant example of how you can have a big beefy diver on your wrist without the proportions being too unwieldy for comfort, as evidenced by the 43.8mm diameter, yet a lug-to-lug length of only 48.7mm. It is still a big watch, but absolutely wearable. The 4R35 movement may be a standard affair for Seiko, but I doubt if you'd really want anything else. It's a truly time-tested movement that is both eminently reliable and easy to replace should a rare problem occur. So, if you're after a particularly flashy Seiko diver without voiding the warranty, the mod-free King Samurai SRPH43 would be a great option to snag. Although given its exclusivity, there may be some hunting involved to track one down.